We will replace this video's background with an image. It is the same process as replacing it with another video. First, go to the Edit menu. Drag your video to the timeline, then move it to the upper video track. Drag the video you want to use as a background below that video and match their length. Go to the Color menu. Then from the Effects search box, search for Depth Map. Drag Depth Map onto the video node. Under Resulting Map Adjustment, enable Adjust Map Levels. Increase Far Limit and decrease Near Limit until the video background is completely dark and the moving object is completely white. Under Map Finesse, enable Post Processing and decrease Post Filter to around 0.24. Right-click near the video node and select Add Alpha Output. Drag the blue square to the blue circle to connect them. Under AI Depth Map, disable Depth Map Preview and go to the Edit menu.
AI doesn't
All done. Please subscribe.